Let's be on that. We on my man's type time. We are. Cause you know they sent them. But since they want to take us off, when they come sending the motherfucker. Look at him in his Labrador. What in the fuck are you doing? Johnny no good. Sorry you can't hear a motherfucker at your door like this loud. So he was sent on the mission, you hear me? He texting like a motherfucker. In real life, I probably should be looking at this motherfucker text message. Who the fuck you texting? Jimmy them? Somebody. Well, he can work this motherfucker. He just upgraded from the jitterbug. Swear he ain't just riding around with the 666 on his license plate for the fun. Swear. And how fucking stupid are you? Motherfucker up this close next to you? This long. Listen, white Jimi Hendrix. Hello? He give me Duck Dynasty vibes. Look at his dogs. We don't see her. His dogs. So you telling me he don't hear me? I'm finna walk away from his window because it's apparent that he's ignoring me at this point. Maybe this is part of their ritual. Excuse me, mister. You of the Native American tribe that white lady was of? That one? Mister! Damn! No, see. Fuck yeah. Tell your dog to sit down. Why you bullshitting though? Damn, he look like he got the kiss of Lucifer on his face. What's wrong with you? You couldn't see me from the side? You can see me right here? You mad? You mad? Tell me why you pull up with the 666 on your plates like this, then ignore me. Tell me. Look at him. He got his Mr. Robocops and everything going on. I'm just trying to figure out why you want to be a dick. Everything gonna be fine. They already know me. Yeah. And in real life is not even on the fucking camera screen. Big problem. See? See what I mean? Oh, look at him. Hold on, we're finna go closer to the ass. This right here, this be when they want you to look crazy. Cause now you just chasing plates and shit. Right? Sound like they letting off fucking all kind of fumes and shit. This where it becomes not so much so fun. But what was wrong with him though? He was mad as hell. And I only know this, I can prove it too. I was gonna do it earlier. I can prove it by my YouTube analytics that a lot of you bitches on this motherfucker is motherfuckers from Minnesota and using fucking fake accounts.